No, go ahead, push her around the rest of the way. You'll enjoy watching on TV. I will. Let's go around 2 times. This will be the first time. And then go around 1 more time. You're doing great, Gabriel.
Wow, 1 more time. Good job.
Alright.
1 more time. Go ahead. Go around again. Whee! Whoopsie! Woo! Whee! Woo! Good job! Woo! Whee!
Good job, you guys. Alright, you can let Emily go now by herself.
If you don't, yeah, if you're all done. Good job. Emily, can you tell Gabriel thank you?
Thank you. Memory.
Good job. Well, Gabriel's all done pushing. You can keep going though.
Hi, Mom.
Well, he's tired.